Good afternoon class. Today the topic is Introduction to Patents and my name is Sugandh Kohli. We will be going through the contents first. The contents of the presentation are definition, examples of patents, anatomy of a patent document, novelty and inventiveness. So what does a patent include? The definition of a patent says that it is a government license that gives the holder exclusive rights to a process, design or invention for a designated period of time. Applications for patents are usually handled by a government agency. In USA, it is handled by the United States Patent and Trademark Office, while in India, it is handled by the Controller General of Patents, Design and Trademarks. Now, as you can see in the presentation, there are three examples which shows that the first practical telephone, it was developed by Alexander Graham Bell. The picture is there in the PPT. The next is the floppy drive discovered by Mr. Yoshiro, and third is the aircraft by Wright brothers. So these are the three things that have been invented by these three people and have been patented in their name. That means they have the exclusive rights of these things for at least 20 years when they were invented. The next topic is anatomy of a patent document. The patent document is divided into several sections which describes what does a document should have. The first page is the summary page, the second is the drawing set, the third is the background of the invention, fourth is brief summary of the invention, fifth is the brief description of the drawings, sixth is the detailed description of the invention. That means in detail what is the invention all about, why do you want a patent for it. And the seventh is the claim set, that is what is in particular that you are claiming for. What special does your invention has, it has, so that it can be patented. The next thing is novelty. Novelty in general terms, it means newness or anything that is new. So novelty is a patentability requirement. If you go to the US Patent Office, or if you go to the Indian Patent Office, what comes under is like what is new in your product, okay. So it is known as novelty. Novelty is a patentability requirement. An invention is not patentable if the claimed subject matter was disclosed before the date of filing of the patent or before the date of the priority if a priority is claimed of the patent application. An invention cannot be patented if the invention was known or used by others or patented or described in a printed publication in any of the foreign country or in the country in which the application is filed. The next is the invention was patented or described in a printed publication in the country of application or any other foreign country. If it is in public use or on sale in this country for more than 1 year, that means if you are patenting a drug, for example, the drug should not be in use in the market for about 1 year. It should be less than 1 year for it to get patented. You or somebody else revealed your invention more than a year ago in public. That means the invention that you have made is already out in the public, so it just cannot be patented. The next point is inventiveness. Inventiveness, as you know, it means anything in terms of newness, what else it has, like invention, innovation. So according to the World Health Organization, it is not enough for a patentable invention just to be new. That signifies that novelty is just not one factor. If your product is novel, it just cannot be it just cannot be made sure that yes, it would be patented. It has to be inventive also. In exchange for 20 years of monopoly rights, the inventor should have to give something very valuable to the public. A good indicator to demonstrate an inventive invention is whether it produces some surprising or unexpected effects. Your invention, it should give out something very unexpected that nobody has expected. Like as you saw in the examples, Graham Bell, he did not think that it would be a telegram or a telephone that it would invent. Or Thomas Edison, he did not invent the electric light bulb in the first sense. So it was after so many episodes of trying and discovering out things that he came out with the electric bulb. Now there is one more example. The first is imagine two drugs. One that makes people 5 cm taller and the other one that makes them 5 cm thinner. if a patient took the two drugs together and that patient becomes 5 centimeter thinner and 5 centimeter taller. Now this is what the result that was expected. So is this an innovation? Is this new? Can this be patented? Not at all. It cannot be patented. But if a patient took the two drugs together and that patient became completely resistant to malaria or suppose HIV or any other thing that just was not expected out of the drug, that is what is known as innovation, and that is new in your product, and this is what is known as a patentable item or a product. So this is what is it about introduction to patents, and that's all.